Talagang huwag nyo bigyan ng space. I know this could be quicker, but it doesn't mean that it's more efficient. Kasi yun na nga, pag nandito ka may kung nag-revert, oh, ako na pala. Diba? So pag nandito na kayo, kung rin na, bicep inward cupping, ear to ear. Kung kaya nyo nga nag-HG nyo dito, dito ka na binabalihan ko ng leg ko. Yoyo yan, di ba? Diba? So from this, when you down your knee, when you pull the head down, angat ng tuhod, pakilala mo, lesser travel time, quicker attacks, and hey, look, more power because I'm also recruiting my arms. Okay, even my chin downward. From this position, 1, 2, same principle, but this time instead of controlling the head, now I'm controlling the spine, which happens to be attached to the head. Hey, so ulo, hindi ka lang kapes. Elbow talaga sa katawan, grab this, oh. Yan, oh. Yun siya in principle. So ano na lang kulang? I just need to step forward. You got to clinch and drive. 1, 2, kung di makabot sa ulo, ayan, integral band. Okay? This position, since you're pulling his head down, it's like this, okay? Drive. Now when I'm driving, lalo na expose yung pana, I go down. But when I went down, I just didn't pull his leg. Boom, katawan ko, binaba ko. Right? Para tignan nyo kamay ko ha, effortless, so pag didikitin ko lang yan, oh. And if there's lifting involved, it's not my arms, hey, it's my body.